Why is military logistics essential for global deployments? Imagine trying to run a marathon without water or a map. That's similar to what happens when military forces are sent far from home without proper logistics. When troops are deployed across continents or oceans, they need more than just soldiers. They need supplies, equipment, and support systems to keep them going. Military logistics make sure everything arrives where it needs to be, exactly when it's needed. This includes transporting personnel, weapons, ammunition, fuel, food, medical supplies, and spare parts. It also involves building and maintaining bases, ports, and airfields in remote or hostile areas. Without this careful planning and coordination, forces can't stay operational for long periods, which can threaten mission success. Living in the armed forces, you see how logistics impacts daily life. Soldiers depend on timely delivery of essentials like food and water, which keeps them healthy and motivated. Reliable transportation means they can move quickly to respond to threats or emergencies. Maintenance parts are vital for keeping vehicles and equipment working, especially in tough environments. If a vehicle breaks down, it could delay an entire operation. These logistics support systems are the backbone of any deployment, ensuring forces remain ready and effective. Global deployments are often in challenging environments. Supply lines can be targeted by enemies through physical attacks or cyber interference. That's why logistics teams develop resilient supply chains. They preposition supplies in strategic locations, use multiple transportation methods like ships, planes, and trucks, and relying on advanced communication systems to coordinate efforts. This flexibility helps forces adapt quickly if a supply route is disrupted. Strategic mobility is another key part of military logistics. It allows forces to move swiftly across oceans and continents, projecting power and supporting allies. This involves working with commercial transport providers like airlines and shipping companies to move large amounts of cargo and personnel efficiently. For example, a typical deployment might involve hundreds of trucks, thousands of tons of supplies, and dozens of aircraft or ships. Coordinating all this takes precise planning and teamwork. Sustainment logistics is equally important. It's about ongoing resupply and maintenance during long-term operations. Without continuous fuel, ammunition, and medical supplies, units risk losing their fighting edge. This is especially true in remote or hostile areas where resupply missions can take weeks or even months. Maintaining a steady flow of resources keeps forces combat-ready and able to sustain operations over time. In the end, military logistics connects the home base's industrial capacity to the tactical front lines. It ensures that forces can deploy quickly, stay supplied, and remain effective in any environment. For those living in the armed forces, logistics isn't just about moving supplies. It's about enabling success, survival, and the ability to accomplish missions in complex global settings.